Dear parishioners and Marian devotees, we are now in the second week of October, the 28th week of Ordinary Time. October is also designated as National Children's Month. Let us be mindful and pray for children, especially the orphans and abandoned ones, when we pray the Rosary. In preparation for the Archdiocesan Mission Congress on November 20, our parish is organizing granular parish mission congresses. This week, we are doing a send-off for the second batch of participants. It is an invitation for us to have a mission mindset. The fact that we are Catholics today is due to the energetic missionaries who left their homeland to share the faith. It is now our responsibility to pass on our rich Catholic heritage to our young people. Hopefully, they will catch the flame of our faith. Let me point out some of the highlights for this week. October 11 is the feast of Saint Pope John XXIII. Born from a poor Italian family, Angelo Giuseppe Roncalli will become Pope from 1958 to 1963. He was a real servant leader. His most daring achievement was to call for the Second Vatican Council to give a breath of fresh air to the Church in the modern world. October 15, the feast of Saint Teresa of Avila. She is a great spiritual leader. She reformed the Carmelite order. She insisted that we must never give up in prayer because it is like air in our lungs. Prayer is the oxygen of the soul. Her writings are classic spiritual masterpieces such as The Interior Castle and The Way of Perfection. May our spiritual walk this week lead us closer to Jesus.